video, we will learn 50 plus question and answers. My lovely students, today we will practice question and answers together. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak aloud. Are you ready? Let's begin. Greetings and introductions. Good morning. How are you today? I am good. Thank you. Good afternoon. How is your day? My day is good. How about yours? Good evening. Did you have a nice day? Yes, I had a nice day. Hi, what's your name? My name is Emma. What's your name? How are you? I am fine, thank you. Where are you from? I am from France. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What do you like to eat? I like to eat pizza. Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English a little. Daily routine. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school every day. How do you go to school? I go by bus. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What time do you start school? I start school at 8 o'clock. Do you do homework every day? Yes, I do my homework every day. What do you do after school? I play with my friends. What time do you have lunch? I have lunch at 1 o'clock. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Family and friends. Who is in your family? I have my mother, father, and one brother. What does your father do? He is a teacher. What does your mother do? She is a nurse. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a parrot. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Sarah. How old is your brother? He is 12 years old. Do you like your family? Yes, I love my family very much. Do you go out with friends? Yes, sometimes we go to the park. What do you do with your friends? We play games and talk. Who do you talk to every day? I talk to my friends and family. Food and drink. What do you like to drink? I like water. Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea. Repeat after me. What is your favorite fruit? I like apples. Do you eat vegetables? Yes, I eat vegetables. What is your favorite snack? I like chocolate. What do you like to eat? I like pasta. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. What do you eat for lunch? I eat rice and chicken. What do you eat for dinner? I eat vegetables and fish. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Places and directions. Where is the school? The school is near my house. Where is the market? The market is next to the park. Is there a bank near here? Yes, there is a bank near here. Is there a hospital nearby? Yes, it is across the street. Where is the bus stop? The bus stop is in front of the mall. How can I go to the park? Go straight and turn left. Where is the post office? It is behind the school. Is the restaurant far? No, it is very close. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Is there a park in your city? Yes, there is a big park. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.